To install a DIMM, with the retaining clips in the open position, insert the DIMM straight into the socket, pressing down on both corners of the DIMM at the same time until it latches in place. Use the same procedure to install any additional DIMMs if required. Install the air baffle. Align the tabs on the air baffle with the slots on the chassis. Lower the air baffle into the server. Make sure that the tabs on the air baffle are inserted into the holes on the chassis. Here is a close-up of the air baffle track in the chassis. Install the top cover. Set the cover on top of the server so that approximately 1/2 inches extends from the rear. Align the cover over the server until the cover edges slip into position over the chassis. Slide the top cover forward and into position. Tighten the thumb screws to secure the cover to the chassis.